Jubilee party.
Let's celebrate.
Hooray! Hooray! It's a holly holiday. What a world of fun for everyone. Holly holiday.
Tea with the Queen.
So join in the holiday celebrations.
Let's have a party with everyone.
Come on. Starts next Saturday and all next week on CBeebies.
It doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall.
It doesn't matter if you're big or small.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all.
You got it, big.
Why, thank you, small. Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, swinging on a star. It makes no difference what size you are.
Nice.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all. 'Cause here we are, we're big and small. Yeah! Easy. Easy. Easy.
Big. Do you think I could eat 2 million jam and pickled sandwiches?
I don't think so. Not in one go, small. Easy.
Hey, Big.
Yeah.
If I did eat 2 million jam and pickled sandwiches, do you think I would turn into a pickle or a jam?
Well, neither, small, but you probably feel pretty sick. Now, could you not ask me any more questions? I need total concentration on my Tower of Friendship.
I mean, as quiet as a mouse, really.
Thank you, small.
Maybe even a hedgehog. What's quieter, Big? A mouse or a hedgehog?
Small!
I'm sorry, Big. I won't say another word, okay? Look.
Thank you, small. Okay, take it easy. Oh, small! Look what you made me do, Mo! Well then, who was it, small?
That wasn't me. It was our parrot.
But we don't have a parrot, small.
I know. And why is that, Big? Because we should have a parrot.
Small, I asked you to be quiet, and instead you make me... What?
Hey, wait a minute. That was you. It was you. Do that again.
Well, I can't do that. Oh no! I'm gonna wreck the whole house. Oh, I'm gonna wreck the whole house, small.
Big, don't worry, okay? As you know, I'm an expert on house-wrecking noises. Come with me.
Okay.
Move, Big. Go. This way, Big. This way.
Okay.
Away from the house.
What exactly are you an expert in, small?
You just stay there, okay? While I go and find the cure.
Okay. Sorry, are you okay?
It's okay. Just startled.
I'm okay.
Ruby! Oh, Ruby! You gotta help! Why do you have a cake on your head?
Oh, it is not a cake. It's a crown. I need a new hat for spring.
Well, it looks cakey. Anyway, you need to help because Big keeps making these weird noises like a hic. And when he does, it shakes the whole house.
That sounds like the hiccups.
The hiccups? Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, it's the hiccups. Of course it's the hiccups. The question is, how do you get rid of them?
Well, the number one way to cure hiccups is to surprise the person. You have to make Big jump.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, see you later. I knew that, by the way.
Oh.
Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sneak up to Big and say boo and surprise him to pieces. Go, 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 go! You better cover your ears. This could get loud. Boo! 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 Boo!
Oh, hi, Small. Did you find a cure?
Big? That was the cure, saying boo! Are you cured?
I don't know. Oh, I guess not.
Okay, then I'll go and find another cure, okay? You just wait there.
Okay, good luck.
Okay. Well, this plastic shark in the pool trick is going to give Big the biggest surprise of his life. Oh, Big, it's ready.
Well, it's nice of you to fill the pool for me, Small.
Well, you know me, Big. Always looking after others.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy.
Oh, thanks. Okay. Yeah, okay.
This is going to be great. Obviously, he has not seen the shark yet, because the minute he does, he is gonna yell. Ah!
Hey, Small, is this your shark?
Maybe.
Okay, I just didn't want you to wonder where he was. He's cute.
I think Big is completely unsurprisable.
Cute.
What will it take? A worm in a cake? A tiger in a shed? A goose on the loose? Or finding a moose snoozing underneath the bed? You gotta jump in! Cause the house is falling down. If you keep on hiccuping, it'll tumble to the ground. You gotta jump in! Cause the house is falling down. If you keep on hiccuping, it'll tumble to the ground. What will it take? A leap in a lake? Or ice cubes down your back? Exploding cheese or a sudden squeeze from a wild bear looking for a snack? You gotta jump in! Cause the house is falling down. If you keep on hiccuping, it'll tumble to the ground. You gotta jump in! Cause the house is falling down. If you keep on hiccuping, it'll tumble to the ground. Ruby! Ruby! Ruby, 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 Ruby! I tried my best scares, but Big is still hiccuping. You have to help me.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. You made fun of my hat. You said I was wearing a cake.
But I love cakes, Ruby. I love them. I love them. And the whole point was that everyone should wear lovely cakes on their heads. Yeah.
Oh. Well, in that case, I suppose I could help.
Really? Great. All right, it's time for Operation Hiccup. Okay. All right, Ruby. I'm going in.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hi, Small. What are you doing?
I'm surprising you. I'm trying to get rid of your hiccups. But you, Big, you are completely and totally... I give up. Unsurprisable.
You're too heavy,
I also
Small.
quit. I've tried everything I know, Big. Would you stop moving me around, Ruby?
I can't hold you.
All right, I'm starting to get a little sick here. Just let me down, will you? Let me down!
You okay? Small, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
That is the funniest thing I've seen in years. I haven't laughed that hard in a long time. Hey, my hiccups are gone.
Wow.
Oh,
That's because the number 2 cure for hiccups is laughter.
oh, see, Small? You did cure me. Nice.
I did? I did!
Andy, are you